Yeah. All right. Hayi injalo. IG uma isinje. Connect lapho. All right. Dango. Hey. You'll notice ukuthi I've been doing a lot of polls with you guys, ne? Nivulele laphana nani. It's interactive measures. Ngamabo. Of course, there will be people that are not going to be happy with what we do. Of course, there will be people that are triggered. Guess what? Anginamsebenzi lana. When we do into ebhekene nokulapha, ulapha into ebhekene nawo. Ulapha okungokwakho okuyisabelo sakho. You don't owe anyone an explanation, my friend. All right? You don't owe anyone an explanation. Kuhlale lokho kugcwale ekhanda. So, right now, we're going to be starting to do a different type of healing where I'm strictly dealing now. No moya, water. What am I talking about? Wakangikhuluma isimo samoya. Oh yeah, mina nami ngifuna ukukhuluma isimo. Hayi nami moya mayikhuluma nami iyabhoka. I'll start you slowly. Ngizoniqala la eqaleni, gradual steps. So, kuneyihlambezo engizenzile. Right? When I'm done, ngoba sihlukile igaba zazo lehlambezo. Bengisesigodlweni phela mina this weekend. Ade ngisesigodlweni. Isigodlweni sami esikhulu. Sahuba namakhosi. There's a reason why ngizodedela ihlambezo. Because there's something that is about to happen kwela mathongo ngezimo zani zikamoya. All right? Isisukile. Ingane zabantu already lezi ezinemoya yamakhosi yamampela already siziyabhonga. Ingane zabantu ezibizelwe kulapheni already sizilapha. Already sekuvukile imizi nezibaya zabantu. Ngebhadi ke you have to consult. Angingeni leyo nto. Angeke ngikunika into yokulapha ungakhulumanga nami. Hawu ukukhohlwa mkhulu. Engeke iziyenzeke leyo. This is a serious healing which needs serious attention. Dango.